Hi, we are here today with our OEM partners from Finland, Delfoi. Let's ask them what they do and what are their strengths and how do they correlate with visual components. Um, okay, so could you tell a little bit about yourself?
Yeah, hi, I'm Saku Järvinen. So as you mentioned, from Delfoi, Finland. So Delfoi is a software company. We are about 45 people currently. And here in the exhibition, we brought our robotic software. So it's offline programming for industrial robots. Basically, customers use it to reduce the downtime. So take the whole programming from manual from shop floor to office and do it with the computers and software. And
Could you tell us a little bit about how visual components has been an important base tool for your business? Because I believe you've developed another tool on top of the base visual components product, right?
yeah, absolutely. So basically, the whole point of our business is to, as I said, take it to the office. So we need the visual platform to do the programming with the computer software without going to the shop floor, and it's a critical part of our business.
And how do you see your Delphi tool developing with visual components in the future?
Well, I think we have a long history, so we've gone hand in hand for many years, and I think we both take benefit, share ideas, and take the industry forward so that it's going to be even better.
And if you think about simulation and offline programming, what is the real strength of Delphi tool?
Well, as I said, we can create, or our customers can create programs that are reliable, so they are error-free. That's because of the simulation. So they know that when they bring it to the shop floor, there's going to be no collisions, no problems with reachability, so singularities. And I think the accuracy is also something that is really important for them. So that's what we can bring together for them.
And how do you see the future of these simulation tools in general for the industry, manufacturing industry and manufacturing projects in general?
Well, one of the challenges in the industry is at the moment the lack of skilled workforce. So as an example, lack of welders. And automation is forced to come in even bigger than in the past. And basically the use of robotics is useless unless you have proper software to program it. So the small batch manufacturing is more and more common. So it's pointless to try to be productive without offline programming for robots.
Interesting. Anything else you would like to add in terms of visual components and robotics? Why do I keep saying robotics? The Delphi partnership.
Yeah, there's one thing that we emphasize a lot, and I think we both companies do a good job on it. It's to educate the younger generation. So basically to drive the industry image to be more high-tech rather than what they think currently about the welding is not a very high-tech image. But I think we need to change that because our customers can't find the workforce. The young generation is not attracted by the industry, so we need to drive that more and more.